Let us begin the live session. Let me open the trading view and I will share my views on American markets and how we are going to trade for different commodities as well. So I hope you all are able to see my screen. So let me share my trading view screen and we will start one by one for all of the topics. Okay. So let us go with the initially with the Dow Jones. What the Dow Jones is today doing. So Dow Jones futures. We'll put in all here. You see, this is an NYC, and we'll see the Dow Jones. This is a different one. We'll open the Dow correct chart of the Dow Jones. Dow Jones Industrial Average. We'll put in futures. We'll go with DJI. DJI. Dow Jones Industrial Average. Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay. I think there are some changes in the trading view for which we are not getting it the correct code. Why it is not showing? I mean, yes, Dow Jones charts we have got it. So we will analyze the chart for the Dow Jones, and anybody having any queries can let me know. Okay. So where we are heading towards the Dow Jones, you can see it is still above 20 days moving average. It's close above this. We'll see in a daily time frame. We are still not able to see any kind of down trend in the charts, but I will analyze the chart in a daily time frame, monthly, weekly time frame, everything in the single chart. Okay. If we go for today's chart, like 15 minutes chart in an intraday, it is still in a downtrend. If we go with an 1 hour time frame, it's still in a downtrend. But if you go with a daily time frame, the daily time frame, it is today it is making a downfall movement, but it has already moved from 439, 43949. What was the low in the month of September? It is like 39, almost 4,000 points up, 390 to 439. So there will be a jerk till this 436, maybe 200, 300 points in the downfall, maybe 300 points, and then the market will rise. So, like a daily time frame, it is still on the positive. I won't tell to short the market right now. If you're holding for November expiry, you can hold it till uh, this month end because everybody is bullish. How it is very difficult to trade Dow Jones, but I will give you a time frame where you can able to make some kind of decisions out of it. Uh, okay, Sorry. Uh, I feel like the Dow Jones is making. Let us go with a 15-minute time frame. Is there any probability? Is asking for this. No worries. It is going for. We will go with the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. It is showing little bit of bearishness in today's trade. It has broken the lower low of the today's trade, so it can go and touch 427 mark from here, and can hit the closing gap 423 somewhere down the line. Maybe not today. If it comes today, that is fine. If it doesn't comes, most probably, but tomorrow it is going to hit 423 points. So we had a, I mean, 430. We have to wait till few minutes because Bollinger Band close. Today's low it has been broken down. So like today's low it is broken down. Maybe it can come around like this around 435. But still, I feel I would like to share some screen on the investing.com. It will give a better picture. I will open the investing.com and will share that screen as well. So let me go to the investing.com. No, right now not. Let me go and stop here and we will go and share the investing.com. Yes, this will give a better picture. This will give a better picture of all those stocks and all. Let me open my watch list here and you'll get the very better clarity of the Dow Jones and all everything. Yes. Now let us go and open the Dow Jones charts. Okay. So if you see the Dow Jones, they just I mean, it gives a better clarity of. Okay, let me open the technical chart here. Yes, it is loading, and we will go with not the line chart. We will go with the uh, a candlestick chart. This is my favorite one. Okay, so like if we go with the daily time frame, like little bit of bearishness is there, and if we go with the 5 minutes candle, okay, so like a 5 minutes candle, it is like this creating a lower low formation from the day start. Okay, let us go and make it a bigger picture. Yes, this will give a better clarity. So like it has broken the day low. Okay, and let me some settings we need to change it here. Sorry, this is the one where we'll put the New York time. Yeah, you see the day low is broken, and if we go with a 15 minutes time frame, okay, 15 minutes today is this, so it has already broken the day low. Okay, so it has filled up the gap. And what is the day low for the previous day? This is 9:30. It has already broken the day low of 11. Now go to the day low of 8. So we have a support till 436. So 436, I don't expect to come, but if it comes, it's the best time to buy. And let's go with the daily time frame. Daily time frame, yeah, three black crows are there, but I feel it can go and hit this mark today. I mean, 200 points from here. If somebody is trading intraday, I'm expecting a 200 points fall to 436, and then the market to reverse from there. Okay. So, to anybody who wants to capture today's points, so can go with 200 points in the downfall in the Dow Jones level 437. Currently, it is trading at 439. So, I'm expecting to reach 436 because monthly time frame is still bullish. But daily time frame it is making a bearishness. Don't I mean you can expect at least a retracement 437 today, and from 437 it can again go up and above. Okay, so anybody who wants to trade for 200 points can trade here in the Dow Jones, and let us go to other things. Uh, okay, now move to the other things where we can go with the commodity things. Okay, so let us go and share that other screen. Uh, yes, share this screen. Anybody has joined here? As of now, no. Yeah. So let us share where we can expect the other things to go. So Dow Jones, I've already told maybe 437. Another 1% fall can happen. Currently, it is trading in 439. So we can expect like 437 today by the end of the day. So what else we can trade today? Let us go Dow Jones futures like 440 is there, so maybe 437 we can reach it today by the end of the day by another 15 minutes, another 1.5 an hour, 2 hours trade is there. So now let us go into the topics of crude oil, natural gas. Anybody who wants to trade natural gas, where it can go and hit those natural gas. Now come to the topic of natural gas. See where the natural gas can go in this series. Go for a monthly options. Never go with what you can say weekly options. Weekly options can kill you. I suggest to go with monthly options only. Never go with what you can say weekly options because weekly options can take away your entire capital. You see, I mean, I feel market to make once again October high around 253 by mid of this series, most probably. So you can take, I mean, November series if you are comfortable, or December series. It will once again hit 250 mark. That is 100% sure. Maybe it can come once again to 200 and then go, but I expect it to hit. You see the candles, type of candles, Hikkenesi candles it has made. I expect market to move and touch around 255. I mean, 30 points from here it will go by at least before the end of this month. It will touch this 254 high. in November series. You can buy it with a stop loss of I mean 250 with the current market price of 223, and then it can hit this 253. So my target expectations on the natural gas series will be around 250. So that can hit the natural gas 30 points from here, 225, 25 points from here, and you can buy the call levels of 220 series. See, it is creating a cup and handle formation. So maybe we can get a breakout or a breakdown, but it will once again touch 250 for sure. 25 points from here, at least natural gas can go. Okay, I have told natural gas. I have told Dow Jones. Now what else? Uh, Now let us go into the crude oil. I will just try to have something on the uh, silver. Silver, never going to miss the silver. What is going to happen in the silver trades? Okay. So the silver is a very dangerous commodity to trade. So what you can expect is in the silver, although it has fallen 3%, nothing to worry about it. Don't get panic. Silver is a very difficult commodity to trade, but I will guide how you can trade silver. You see, it is still a downfall in a daily time frame. In a monthly time frame, you'll see it is still a positive. When daily and monthly are different, believe on the long term strategy. Okay, so it is trying to make out a base and trying to, from where it has given a breakout, it is coming to these levels. So I expect once again to reach and hit this 1 lakh mark in the same series of November only. Just hold on and have patience. Markets are very brutal by nature, and it can kill all the BS, and it will go again once again with a bull run. Maybe go with a December series or a safety options, or a November series if you are a risk taker. So I expect the market to hit 1 lakh mark once again in the series of November itself, or for a safer option, you can go with December. Since the December options expiries, I mean the call values are higher, I suggest to go with the call values in the November series. Okay, so that it will touch once again 1 lakh. So, so we have discussed natural gas. Natural gas also, if is natural gas is bit tricky over here, but I expect it will touch once again 250 in the same series itself. Okay, we studied silver. Now let us go with the formation of gold, where the gold can make. Go with the gold futures. You see, don't confuse with the daily time frame with the monthly time frame. The daily time frame is still negative, and it is making the October low. It has just recently touched the October low. So once it has reached the October low, it will once again gain to the October high as well. It's very true brutal community. If you see monthly time frame, monthly is still positive. Whenever you see the monthly time frame is still in green, and the daily time frame is red, believe on the story of green, because we are seeing another monthly time frame. And this time, if it hits 2790, it will cross at least 2900 to 3000 in the November series itself. But I feel it will once again touch $2,800 November series to get the short squeeze out of from the market. There will be a huge short squeeze will happen. Remember, there will be a short squeeze means people have taken all the bets on the sell side. So a short squeeze will take away all the positions, and people will run for cover. Once the cover is done, the markets will shoot higher. So I expect the gold futures to trade around 2800 by mid of this November series itself. So we studied gold series. Uh, we studied about gold, silver, and Dow Jones, as well as natural gas. Okay, so I'm apologize. My camera is not visible, but I will come out soon with a camera version of it. Okay, so we studied lot of things over here. I'm trying to make things better. Okay. Anything else we can study today? Hmm. So we studied a lot of things about today. One is Dow Jones futures, then commodity, where it include. Let us go with one more, and then we can close the session. Uh, Let us head towards what is happening in the gold, silver. We studied. Never try to short gold and silver at this point of time. Let us go with an MCX crude, and then we can stop our trading session. Okay. So let us go and see. These are the technical charts. Okay. So now go with a daily time frame and a monthly time frame. You see Hekeneshi is there. You see it has already created a base in September, October. Lower low is not getting disturbed. So never try to disturb it. I am expecting at least 6400 by the end of this series. Take with December series if you are comfortable. November series could be a riskier one, but I at least expect it will touch once again 6300. That is for 100% sure, either in November series or December series. Better to go with the December series with the stop loss of October series. The low is 5583. Currently, it is like trading in 5821. Go with the futures, don't go with the options. Options goes with the decays, and I suggest at least it will touch it once again 6350. The same October series has went off in the November series or December series. I'm expecting 6400, but never try to short it. It is already down. It's never going to break the 2024 lows, because 2024 lows is broken means it will, we don't know it can cross again 4000. So I'm expecting that there will never be a breakup right now, because we are still in a bull run. So it keeps on going. I expect 6400 to be hit from 600 points from here. The natural crude oil can rise up in the November series or December series. So hold on with your trades. I am bullish on the markets. Okay. Anybody having any doubt over here? Okay, so let us end the stream. We have studied about Dow Jones, crude oil, natural gas, then gold and silver. Never short gold and silver, otherwise you will get shorted out from the market. Anyone having any queries on the American markets, please ping me here. And how can I share? If we go with another indicator with a Bollinger Band, that will give you a clarity in an intraday basis. So intraday, if you see, we are at the higher end of the day, and if you make like 15 minutes time frame, today is 12th, right? So it is almost making lower low, but it is very hard to get here. Sorry, we'll go with 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so like from here, if we go, it has already broken the Bollinger Band. If 15 minutes, it has already filled the gap over here, right? So once the gap is filled, it can again touch 444. So 439 was the lowest, but I don't expect to hit once again here. Maybe it is broken the 15 minutes means it will try to hit the 1 hour low. 1 hour low can be like this. So I'm expecting at least to touch 436, 437 today in the for Dow Jones. So the Dow Jones can test at least 436, 437 today by the end of the day. Maybe another 1.5 an hour is there in the markets. It can reach at least 436, 300, 300 to 400 points, you can say. Okay. But for long term, anybody who wants to trade Dow Jones, at least for November series, be long. Don't be short. If if you are long, take the monthly expiry. If you are short or an intraday, you can take short for today. But if you are long, take it for the monthly series. But if you are short, take it from today. 437, I'm betting it for today. At least by the next 1.5 an hour. This is the live commentary session on American markets. me. Mm, okay. Okay, this is for till today only. We will come up with more such live streaming in the future. I will be coming live stream every day, and we can talk about Dow Jones futures, American markets, U.S. markets, natural gas futures, crude oil, commodity. So please keep updated and please try to join these sessions. So let us end the stream here, and we'll connect tomorrow. You can go through my futures options. Okay. Hmm. Well, let's stop over here.